an ancient fountain that was destroyed in a 23 before Christ. Earthquake has been restored in Turkey's city of Gladiators. Now the 2 millennia-old water font is streaming drinkable water again, just as it did some 2,000 years ago, piecing together an ancient masterpiece. Dr. Cibyra Magna, an archaeologist at Mehmet Akif Ersoy University, recently told Anatolia agency, AAA, that his team of archaeologists had spent the past 4 months collecting 150 original fragments from the ruins. Now they have successfully pieced the architectural masterpiece back together. The round-plan fountain measures 15.24 meters, 50 feet, in diameter by 7.92 to 26 feet high, and after being built it was used for more than 600 years. A report in Daily Mail says the team of archaeologists have also restored the original water supply system from the spring, so that the fountain now flows with drinkable water just the way it did 2,000 years ago. Dr. Magna described the water from the restored fountain as spouting from the mouths of lion and panther. Not only do these two animals feature heavily in Roman mythology, but they are two of the animals that gladiators fought in the arenas. Incidentally, it was after the discovery of the 10,400-person stadium that hosted hundreds of gladiatorial fights that Kibyra became known as the City of Gladiators. Rebuilding what nature attempted to destroy, blending both Roman and Byzantine architectural styles. During the 1,000 years of the Roman Empire, the city became famous for its bloodthirsty gladiatorial contests. However, a 23 before Christ earthquake almost flattened Kibyra, and if it were not for diligent citizens in the aftermath rebuilding the giant fountain, it would have been lost in time long ago. The AA article said the restoration of the fountain and its 2 pools required 68 original architectural pieces and 24 imitation blocks produced from the original stone type. Furthermore, it was observed that the original fountain featured 1 large circular pool, and the second pool was added decades later. Dr. Magna maintains that when the fountain was functional, some 2,000 years ago, the 2 circular pools supplied potable water to 4 different parts of the city.